again in my hair today. Oh well. Anyway, it's funny you notice things when you're turning your video on. Yes, I'm in Ruby. And what did I do? What I did not do was film the process, because if you're following my channel, you've seen so many of my getting Ruby ready videos that I think that's getting too redundant. So I thought I'd just show you that Ruby is ready, and so are the pups. There's the puppies. We have a new arrangement here. They are going to be tethered to the seat, just in case. And they have their comfy beds. Decided to try going without the dog car seat, and this is helpful because he can't decide which one he wants to be in, so he's sort of spread across both. He's got his little bed, she's got her bed, they've got all their extra things might need on the road, their food, dry food, their little ice chest, and I have my little lunch bag. We have extra water, we have emergency stuff down there, and extra whatever. And Ruby is all reset for camping, but we're not supposed to be going camping, but I'm always prepared in case. Everything's sort of locked down as far as I know, and that bag will probably roll around a little bit, but that's okay. It's just my little extra electronic cords and things. And Zenji's escape area is all ready for when he decides to go back there. And we have everything cleaned up. Ruby. Got her reorganized for a new trip. This one's to a beach house in Florence, Oregon. About 50 miles away, a couple hours away. And I'm just getting ready to take off. Even got my little dash cam deal going on. And yeah, so we're gonna hit the road.